Hey, what is up guys? My name is Michael and I am going to be tearing apart this 2017 Subaru WRX STI engine from the AVS cams all the way down to splitting the block apart. Other than that, this is a really fun video, fun project that I was doing. This is my first time doing this on a Subaru engine, so just bear with me. Other than that, I hope you enjoy the video and grab a popcorn. Alright, now we're going to start tearing down the engine. Well, first thing is taking off the AVCS cams. So I got this 3/8 extractor bolt kit. This say to use 11/16. I went ahead and bought both the metric and the standards just in case. I'm going to start with this one here that I was trying to drill out. I don't think I was doing it correctly. I mean, this is my first time doing something like this on the STI anyways. The 2017 engine. I'm gonna go ahead and hammer these extractors in there. Here's the 23 tool kit. Looks like this one here is for I think it's for the exhaust. No, it's not for any of these. Okay. Maybe they sent me the wrong one. Okay, this one looks like it's for the intake. Okay, so that fits perfectly. But what the heck? I thought this is supposed to be for the exhaust. Am I just not aiming it correctly? Well, that's a bummer. Nope, the intake doesn't fit on there. I'm pretty sure I got it for the exhaust one. I don't know. What? What? Alright, I gotta check my email real quick. I don't have my breaker bar with me, so my 3/8 is gonna have to do it. Okay. Oh, sheesh. Yeah. All right, I finally got it separated. Oh. I don't think this one snapped already. Or did it? Woo. Okay, so I got the hex on there, the T10, and then 2 vice grips. So it shouldn't move it at all. There's no way it's on that tight, dude. Ugh. Oh! Timing belt snapped. Okay, I got an idea. This one's a pretty good fresh timing belt, so oh my god, my 3/8. My snap on that my buddy gave me. Yes! Snap-on did it. Okay, that was fun. So we finally got all the bolts off. Alright, today's the day. Tearing down this engine, taking off the heads at least. And maybe I'll get to split the block in half. So I already got the cam gears loose. All the cam gear bolts stripped pretty much. This one I had to drill out, and honestly, I should have just drilled it all out because it seemed a lot easier that way. I drilled that one a little bit too much, but you know, it is what it is. So I was looking over the engine, and I think all I gotta do now is just take off the valve covers and then take off the camshafts and all that, coils, that too. And this thing should be able to just come right out. I am leaving most of the sensors on there. If I need to take it off, I will take it off. Here's how it looks right now. But yeah, I finally got all the cam bolts off, or loosened at least. And yeah, let's get started. All right. This is the passenger side ahead, ready for liftoff. All right, here's the block, how it looks. Here's the passenger side. It looks fairly decent, normal wear. Block seems good. Looks like it has been machined before. Yeah, it looks like it has been machined before or something, or maybe someone rebuilt it themselves. A couple little scratch marks there. It's not really as polished. Okay. So here's all the head accessories. So driver's side, camshafts, covers, and you can see there's a couple little scorings on there. I feel a couple little scratches with my fingernail. There's a silicone that's stuck on the camshaft there. So yeah, it looks like this thing has been rebuilt, just not clean. I'm guessing maybe some of the silicone might have gotten to the oil system and clogged some stuff up. So the cam gears over there. Let me just zoom in. So those cam gears over there have little oil ports in them that are really, really tiny. And if it gets clogged, it probably would have maybe starved it. I don't know. Here's the exhaust side. Looks like the camshafts are both the same. Nope, never mind. This piece here is different. So intake side is longer, it seems. Yeah, intake side is longer. And here's the head. I left the buckets in there just for now. The head seems pretty decent. It's just going to involve a lot of cleaning. Set this back down. So yes, I did leave a lot of this stuff on there. I don't think it's necessary to take it off yet until I'm gonna start cleaning it. And then well, now getting to the block. I'm not sure how I'm gonna split this apart yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at this, see what I wanna do. All right, folks. I went ahead and pulled all the accessories off the timing, like the timing water pump, pulley, and all that. But check this out. So there's a whole crack right here. See this line? I could feel it with my fingers and my nail. So there's a whole crack right over here. And if you look up, there's more cracks right here. Like, see this little corner there? Like right up in there? There's a whole crack on this corner here. I don't think servos were supposed to be like that. If you go up a little bit more, there's a crack right here. You guys see it? I'm gonna have to hit up the owner, let him know what happened, and more than likely we're gonna have to get a new block, new engine. We'll see what happens. All right, I don't want to break up the engine hoist, so I'm gonna just take apart whatever I can, and then just have my dad unzip it as I carry this thing. I'm sure I can carry it. There's the motor mount. Okay, got it on the table. Got this chair here and a piece of wood just in case this thing doesn't support it. Forgot the flywheel. Okay. So on the past driver's side, there's only 4 bolts of the head bolt or block bolt, I think. I thought there was supposed to be 6, unless it's just for the other side. Oh, damn. All right, finally. Maybe one more hit. All right, so I messed up. Every time I would hit the pistons in there, freaking it would go down and then it would stop, but it could easily come back up all the time. So I just got these holes open, just pull the pins out for the pistons and then pull the block apart. I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, now doing the other side. So freaking, I was starting to strip this thing. I just want to show you guys this. So it's about to strip, right? No matter what, if you just hit the hell out of it, go back with a screwdriver, and just slowly, might hit it hard. It's supposed to add like a shock. There we go. Now we can get the wrist pin off this side. All right, folks, this is not good. So there is cracks everywhere. So there is a crack right here. Sorry, this tape was really uneven. So there's a big crack up here. Goes all the way down. All the way to here. On this side, you can see it. There's a whole bunch of cracks everywhere. There's cracks all over this block, dude. I mean, look at that. That's not normal. Like, holy crap. Like, Hydrolock messed this thing up. Where you can see down there is more cracks. Like, look at that. That's not normal, right? For a Subaru? That is insane. You could feel it too, like. You know? I mean, it was running. I don't know if it's from previous build, but it did get hydrolocked. Like, and then if you look at this one, you can see spider cracks everywhere. Between the pistons, you can see a crack there. A couple more cracks there. Like, do you see what I see? Like look at this one. Oh my goodness, dude. That's a crack like in the concrete. Like, dude, this thing is done. Well, the plan was to rebuild this thing, but I don't think we're going to. The head seems fine so far. I don't know, I still gotta check it out. But the goal was to just tear this thing down and yeah, I mean, as soon as I saw that crack in that block, that's when I was like, there's no way. Dude, that is insane. So, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's done, but let me know what you guys think. If you're a Subaru guy or a Super guy, but that is done. Dunzo. Oh yeah, and check this out. So, cylinder number 4. Fine. Cylinder number 3, I just replaced the bearings, but I mean, it seems a lot better. And then number 2, which is the worst one. That's how number 3 was until I replaced the bearing underneath the car. But I don't know. It seems to be somewhat better. I would have done number 2, but I couldn't get to it because, what was it? This giant thing was in the way. You see how these holes are bigger? 4, 3, and then 2. And then 1, obviously you can't get to it. Yep. Number 1. Perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to him, see what's gonna happen. But yeah, she is done. It's cracks all over that block. I couldn't believe I found that. Maybe it's fine, I don't know. I just sent it to this Facebook group, so It's pending to get approved right now. But if anything, if he wants to go cheap, if we have to neglect this thing, I don't know, dude. He's gonna need new bearings. I mean, come on, sir, focus. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Yo, what's up? So, about the whole crack block situation thing. Sorry for the mess. I'm currently redoing the basement. Anyways, the crack in the block, supposedly it is normal for Subarus. They come in from the factory that way because of their sand casting or something. But turns out, I guess it's okay. I looked it up on the forums and it was a common. It's been asked many times and I guess it's just normal. But it's a new 2017 STI, but it did look like it's been redone or something. I mean, yeah, I guess it's perfectly fine. So in the next video, I'm going to do a micrometer measurement, see how much material was lost on cylinder number 2 and 3, or if anything, it was just a bearing issue. Maybe it just needs polish. I know this guy wants to save a lot of money, and I'm thinking if it's savable, if the measurements aren't too off, we could probably just throw in new oversized bearings and then just throw in new gaskets, get everything all cleaned up, make sure the piston rings are good, and other than that, throw it back together. That'll be the next video though. In this case, I'm currently editing. So, ending this on a good note. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. There's a lot of videos I want to make right now, like my toolbox and why I quit my job and the new area job of career that I'm at, which it's a good vibe and good positivity. There's a couple little drama and stuff, but not as bad as my old shop, or the old shop that I was at. Anywho, I'll end this video here and I'll say goodbye, or as what FuzzyTube would say,